guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, we are talking about the Archer Queen, one of the powerful hero cards in Clash Royale, and how to unlock the Archer Queen card. So make sure you stick to the end of the video so that you know every way is possible to unlock the Archer Queen card, which is very powerful and very effective against matches or other players during the match. First, know that Archer Queen is a hero card and hero cards are only available in certain arenas or special events. So make sure you push your trophies and reach the arenas where the heroes can be unlocked. Second, she can appear in the mystery chest sometimes if you have already reached the arena which unlocks them. Especially legendary chests can also help you get the Archer Queen card. So keep opening chests as you climb arenas and pushing for trophies. Third, check the shop. Sometimes Archer Queen can appear in shop as well, but it is very rare, so check them out daily. Fourth, there might be a special challenge or events going on where you can unlock a card of Archer Queen, so look out for the special events and challenges as well. Finally, if you are on a clan, trade tokens can sometimes get you a hero card earlier by trading with clanmates, but mostly you can only trade legendaries with the trade token, so it will not be available to trade in the clan. And that's how you can get Archer Queen in Clash Royale. Keep playing events, opening mystery chests and trading with your clan, and she will be yours soon enough. If you found this guide helpful, drop a like, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.